All right, SPY, don't let boredom, again, don't let boredom get you stuck out and in the wrong place where you need to be. Look at the underlying trend. You see the weekly looking great. Yes, small range candle. So break it down, small range candle. You can see this is chop. Bah, 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 bah. Hard to trade that. Didn't break out much, but that doesn't mean you just start going short. So again, I keep stating this because people still keep looking at this to say, I want to go short this market, and people hate that, and I don't get it. I'll never get it because my ego is checked at the door. The trend is up, I'm trading the trend. Simple as that. So don't let this boredom saying, oh, it's just one day, because it caught you. Remember those indecision days over here? Then boom, caught you on the upside. Went down, didn't break the trend of overall just from that Putin, Ukraine stuff, and shot back to the upside. So just don't let those things trap you in there. Boredom is quite honestly just part of the trend. Two small candle days, two small range days. Again, going back to the bigger picture, we see that we're still looking good so far. Russell had a little pullback today, but shoot, this is bullish. I mean, you break above this high, it's back to the races. It's at the top of this weekly channel, but hey, I don't see anything bearish of that. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. You have, again, the diamond as well. Breaks above this high. It's looking good to the upside. Let's look at some names. Chipotle flagging. Breaks above this high. If either one, this day is back to the upside. Priceline grinding higher, lower volume. If I would be peeling profits into this, if you're in already, breaks above this high, maybe it can go a little bit higher. This volume is kind of like, but again, the price is moving up. So just keep those things in mind. Google continues to move higher, again, lower volume, but it's still moving higher. So if you got in for today, this might not be the price action that you really want to get, but a nice launch up from them, and hopefully you peel profit in the strength, and now it's just fading down. So breaks above this, it's going to be perfect, but the hell with it. It breaks above this and continues higher. Maybe you look at another time frame, maybe like an hourly or something, and this could just be a flag. It just could be a flag right here, right now, and you just look at that and say, okay, this is what we got going on. Breaks above these highs, I'm back to the upside. Breaks above these highs, and I feel really good. Just sometimes break it down to the time frame that you feel most comfortable with. We got Tesla. I wouldn't be shorting Tesla right here, right now. I mean, why? I mean, unless you get some follow through, it's just been trading sideways. So again, boredom will get your ass beat up. And you can see the weekly looks good. So, I mean, if you're looking to fade something, just be very careful and understand that these can be violently quick. So this is a red candle, but, you faded, popped your back, faded. If it pops your ass back again, maybe you get above the high of, if you're aggressive, 257, and then you could get to the upside for that one. So just keep that in mind. American Express looks good as well. Breaks above this high. You do want to clear this crap to the left, but if you got in, congratulations. If you didn't, if it breaks above, it could just break above and test new highs. So just keep that one on your watch list as well. Plug, this is a red candle. I look at this as just flagging. Breaks above this 709, it's back to the upside. You have Disney continued follow through today. Not as much as I would like, but you just peel your profits into strength. Okay, you got Bank of America. Bank of America had a great day. Goldman Sachs had a great day. Wells Fargo had a great day. Citi, that's looking good. Still testing the 50, but kind of just have to see what's going on with that. Another name, Facebook. Facebook looks great. Keep shorting. I would love it. Keep shorting. Broke above this high, broke above the 10, and it's clearing new highs, so it just wants to follow through tomorrow. Look on some good volume. I don't see any reason you would want to short these stocks. One thing I do look at, and people looking, I don't know, Twitter. I don't like these lower highs. I just don't like them. Breaking below these lows as well. I mean, if it breaks below this low of 52.90, I think that's a short. I just think it's not doing anything. And not doing anything without, just going, let's say it wasn't doing anything, went up and it just went sideways. You have lower highs in place. So that's why I'm bearish this right here, right now. Breaks above this, and then, maybe if it breaks above this 57 mark, then you could get back bullish. But right here, right now, no. And if it continues to go lower, then I don't like the way that this looks. Into it, again, that's another flag that, you know, quite honestly, nice inside day, gets above this, and then it's back to the races. So really appreciate everybody looking at these videos and trying to, you know, navigate this crazy market, and you just use these to help your probabilities and go from there. So any comments, questions, leave them in the you could email me, Twitter, leave them in the comments section of YouTube, and really appreciate it. Thanks.